All right, guys, here checking all the testimonies yesterday's weigh-in, and they're just, I don't know, I get like emotional just being able to help so many people. And I want to share that with you guys. Right from the exclusive group. Here is the community who have commented. I mean, look at how amazing this. Down 10 pounds in 4 weeks. First week down 5 pounds. Lost 2 pounds this week. Lost a pound this week. Down 4 pounds. This is down 5.2 pounds. So this is all right. Everybody's sharing their recipe. It's just awesome. 4 pounds this week. This is right from the community. It's just awesome. So I'm down 25 pounds, halfway there. Way to go, Brenda. Unbelievable. A little choked up today. Awesome. Oh, look at that. 12 pounds down. Down 5 pounds. I have the best job in the world. I get to help people feel their very best and finally lose weight.